Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Getting Dirty Off-Road channel. Today we're going to mess around with the Rattle-Can again. We're looking at the clutch linkages. Need to go to heaven again and see if we can find some more. You see that rod right there? That is all that I have with this truck. So I'm missing the linkage that you can adjust for how far the throwout bearing moves, and maybe something else. I don't know for sure, but we're gonna head up and find that. Really don't know what we're doing here, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, so this right here is some of what we're looking for. You've seen that I already have this piece. This part of it is the adjustable rod. I don't have that. And I don't think that I have this ball that goes on the bell housing. And if I'm right, all that's missing here is a spring to keep this rod against the fork there. So we'll grab this and we'll probably go look at the other truck where we actually found some. I think it has a spring. I'll look at it and see what else I need. So here's another option. Looks like there's a spring right there. This one looks like it's completely all the way together, so I think that spring might be the only thing left missing. So we'll grab that. Okay, so I found all the pieces I need for the clutch linkages, cleaned them up, checked everything out. Now we're just going to put a fresh can of clutch care on there, and then they'll be ready to put in whenever I get to it. Okay, so that'll make it look a whole lot better. Now we'll go over and take that piece off from the truck. Okay, so we're going to take this one off from the truck. As you can see right in here, maybe you can see, there's a rod comes from the pedal inside. When you push the pedal, it pushes down over here, which right here pushes back on the clutch fork, and that's what engages your throwout bearing. So that's what disengages your clutch. So we'll just take this cotter pin off from the rod from the inside. Little washer behind it. So now our rod is free. And it's not connected inside, so I'm just going to pull it out. Maybe put some paint on it. It's a little worse for wear. Maybe even find another one. So Now that that's out of the way, there's a nut here on the back side. It holds it onto the mount of the frame. We'll just take that nut off and then it'll be free. Well, usually that's all it takes, but I guess I'm having one of those days. So I've got my medium size, you better come out of there. And that'll do it. Alrighty, that's gonna do it for playing around with these linkages here. I think I found everything I need. I don't know. Looks like I need to get this frame finished. I told you guys it wouldn't be done. So I think I am gonna go ahead and work at getting that finished, cleaned up, painted, looking nicer than it is. But for now, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could go ahead and tap that like button for me, leave me a comment. I think we're kind of slowing down on this. Maybe it'll speed up. I don't know. Smash that subscription for me. Click on them bells. I'm going to see you next Monday. It's free. Just click on it. For right now, that's going to be it for the pulling truck. I don't know what we'll mess with next, but I'll see you then.